Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer 401k to a self-directed IRA with IRA Financial, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer your 401k to a self-directed IRA, begin by researching your options. Make sure you understand the benefits of a self-directed IRA. Identify eligible accounts for transfer. Contact your 401k plan administrator to request a rollover. Ask for a direct rollover to avoid taxes and penalties. Fill out any required paperwork from your 401k plan. Next, select a custodian for your self-directed IRA. IRA Financial is a popular choice for many investors. Open your self-directed IRA account with the chosen custodian. Provide any necessary documentation to set up your account. Once your account is established, initiate the transfer process. Complete any transfer forms provided by your self-directed IRA custodian. Submit your forms to your 401k plan administrator. Wait for the transfer to process. This can take several days to a few weeks, depending on your providers. Once the funds are in your self-directed IRA, you're ready to invest. Be sure to explore different investment options available within your IRA. Consult with a financial advisor if you have questions about your investment choices. Always keep track of your contributions and transactions for tax purposes. Ensure compliance with IRS rules regarding self-directed IRAs. Monitoring your investments regularly will help achieve your financial goals. Now you're on your way to managing your retirement funds with greater flexibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.